Top of the morning to you guys. Welcome to your morning market brief with AB for Friday, second last Friday of July. So US markets were again higher. The Nasdaq was up 1.36%. The S&P was up 1%. The Dow was up 0.5%. US dollar was lower. Oil prices were lower. And this was all on the back of the fact that the European Central Bank increased their interest rate by 0.5%. Back to zero. They were in the negative at minus 0.5%. They're back to zero. So the spread between the US Fed funds rate and the ECB rate narrowed. So bottom line is US dollar fell. And that was good news for financial markets because the US dollar has been dragging on some company earnings of some tech businesses that get a lot of revenue from overseas. Now, Tesla up 10% after a better than expected earnings report on Thursday, and that was good news for the entire Nasdaq tech sector. Even companies such as Rivian, which is a company that Amazon has backed to make electric vehicles or vans to deliver their goods to customers in the United States, that's actually up 43% just since the start of July. So great news in the US. Markets are bouncing back. How long it lasts for, it's all going to be dependent on, is inflation coming down? Is the Fed going to need to continue with aggressive interest rate hikes? Now, on some other news, Rio Tinto here in Australia has agreed to pay $1 billion in taxes. Rio shares were down around about 2% on Thursday. And you know, the share price has basically fallen from a high of $125 to $95 over the course of the last few months. So I suspect that the mining sector in Australia, as I've been saying, will continue to have some quite significant challenges over the course of the next 12 to 18 months. So overall, US markets looking like they're going to finish the week on a high. Lower US dollar has been positive for financial markets. The Aussie dollar is obviously up a little bit, working back towards around 70 cents, still under that at the moment. But at the moment, the market sentiment is positive. Those recession fears are starting to fade. The US consumers are very, very wealthy, as the Aussie consumers are here in Australia. There is no significant signs right now that we're going to see a major downturn and a significant recession. So therefore, money is starting to flood back into markets. That's your Friday money market update. Have a great weekend, guys, and I'll see you on Monday.